Optimizing Azure SQL scale-up is crucial for ensuring the performance and efficiency of your database. To start, it is essential to understand the basic concepts of Azure SQL and its scaling capabilities. Azure SQL is a cloud-based relational database that allows you to scale up or down to match your workload demands. The first step in optimizing Azure SQL scale-up is to monitor your database performance. You can use the Azure portal to track key metrics such as CPU usage, memory usage, and storage space. This will help you identify when your database needs to be scaled up. Once you have identified the need to scale up, the next step is to choose the right service tier. Azure SQL offers several service tiers, including general purpose, business critical, and hyperscale. Each tier offers different levels of performance and storage, so it is essential to choose the one that best fits your needs. To scale up your Azure SQL database, navigate to the Azure portal and select your database. Then, click on the pricing tier option and select the desired service tier. You can also use Azure CLI or PowerShell to scale up your database. Another critical aspect of optimizing Azure SQL scale-up is to consider the impact of scaling on your costs. Scaling up to a higher service tier can increase your costs, so it is essential to balance performance and cost. You can use the Azure pricing calculator to estimate the costs of different service tiers. In addition to scaling up, it is also essential to optimize your database for performance. This can be achieved by indexing tables, optimizing queries, and maintaining statistics. Regular maintenance tasks such as updating statistics and rebuilding indexes can also help improve performance. Best practices for optimizing Azure SQL scale-up include monitoring performance regularly, testing and validating changes before implementing them in production, and using automation to scale up and down to match workload demands. It is also essential to consider the limitations of Azure SQL and plan accordingly. By following these steps and best practices, you can optimize your Azure SQL scale-up and ensure the performance and efficiency of your database. Regular monitoring and maintenance are critical to ensuring that your database continues to perform well over time.